Good morning, guys. Back on the Chevrolet El Camino. We'll keep on finishing up doing the suspension, getting these spindles all cleaned up, painted, and put on today. That is my goal. Wait for finished sway bar bushings to come in. I'll clean up the bar, bracketry, and get that bolted on too. So we're gonna get these wrapped up, get these cleaned up, get this wrapped up, and get them painted. All right, guys, got the first layer on. Come back out here in a few minutes, put a heavy coat on it, let it sit for 15-20 minutes, dry, and flip it over and do it again. All right, well, I gotta find the rest of this for the opposite side and start cleaning that up. Okay, guys, got the other side, got the started, put a little tacky coat over it. We'll give it a good coat here in a minute.
6 or 7 coats.
Six. I got the other ones done. I will pause you guys for a second and I'll get over there and show you those ones being done. Okay, there we are, all ready to be put back on, which we'll do here in a few. Let me get a couple more things done, and we'll get the new bushings coming for the sway bar, so we'll see how that goes later.